Alchemy Pay has been a cryptocurrency I've been very, very interested in and bullish on for a while now, going on 3+ years. And we talked about Alchemy Pay long before it started partnering up with Mastercard and Visa. That's right, Visa has already come to the table, and now huge news coming out as Mastercard also partnering up with Alchemy Pay, and we're going to talk about what this means for the future of ACH. Alchemy Pay right now ranked number 166 on the big board, and you can see it on screen. Let me take you inside this tweet that Alchemy Pay put out there. It says right here, and we're going to go into the article by CoinDesk. Mastercard has been a key component in our global payment network success, enabling us to expand our reach on a global scale and to cater to a larger market while ensuring reliability and compliance as a leading crypto payment gateway. Now, going inside the CoinDesk article here, we'll zoom in a little bit. You can check this out. So I've got a couple key things highlighted that I want to take you inside here. And let me move that over. You know what? We're going to have to zoom out a little bit. Here we go. All right, so Alchemy Pay, which is a crypto gateway, fiat and crypto, has been given the stamp of approval of sorts by a trusted brand in finance, that's MasterCard. So Alchemy Pay has been approved and added to MasterCard's SDP compliant registered service provider list. Now, that stands for Site Data Protection, as in keeping customer data safe and secure. The provider list is packed with other huge names in the space, including Amazon, Google, JP Morgan. Each of these MasterCard clients is obligated to comply with MasterCard's rules and standards. Translation: this gives customers confidence that the company is legit. Now, earlier this year, Alchemy Pay was legitimized by another blue chipper as a payment service provider, Visa. They partnered up there. This aligns with Alchemy Pay's mission of being a gateway or bridge that facilitates transactions between fiat and crypto. They're trying to make it easy. Now, we know Visa and MasterCard are pillars of the fiat world, right? They have been here and done that. So working with them makes these on-ramps and off-ramps much smoother for Alchemy Pay. Now, with Alchemy Pay, Visa and MasterCard holders can use a fiat, any fiat, to purchase cryptocurrencies in 173 countries right now, which is pretty crazy. At its core, Alchemy Pay's goals are pretty simple. Connect crypto to the everyday person to make it easier to use and remove the headaches of swapping fiat for Bitcoin, other cryptos, or even NFTs, making it easier to spend, store, and utilize your crypto. Alchemy Pay, big company in the space. You know, I've had the CEO, John Tan, right here on the channel a couple of different times. I'm working on getting him back on the channel, and hopefully we can make that happen. If you want to help me out, here's a tweet that I actually mentioned right below their tweet, saying I'd love to get Mr. Tan back on. So if you guys want to go over there and amplify this and say, hey, we'd love to see him, you can follow me on Twitter right here too. It's @Z_Humphreys. So appreciate you guys so much. We'll see you in the next video.